Hello and welcome to another screencast on uSchool. My name is Felix Fosu. In this edition, we are going to look at billing, how to bill students. Now, uSchool billing is based on section or department and the type of students that we have. The section is the broad grouping of classes for the purposes of billing. That is, all classes that pay the same amount of fees are put in the same section. The student type is the unique categorization of students within a class for the sole purpose of billing. So within a class, we may have different student types, and all the different student types will have different billing. If there are a variety of fees or bill differentials in a class, you need to create a different type of student for each of them, or for each bill group. A bill for a particular student type in a section of the school applies to all students of that type in the class. For instance, if we have a class called class 1, there may be different types of students in the class. Each section and student type must address a unique group of students for the purposes of billing. So this is how the hierarchy looks like. So we have a section called lower primary. Now in lower primary, we have class 1 and class 2. Putting class 1 and class 2 under the same section implies that students in class 1 and students in class 2 pay the same amount of fees. They are only differentiated based on the type of students they are in the class. That is to say, for instance, we have day students in class 1 and boarders in class 1. We have day students in class 2 and boarders in class 2, and we have some students on scholarship also in class 2. Basically, what this structure means is that day students in class 1 and day students in class 2 pay the same fees. And same applies to boarders in class 1 and boarders in class 2. Scholarship students in class 2 also pay different fees. So if you have this in your school, then you can put class 1 and class 2 under the same section. If class 1 and class 2 are not paying the same fees, then do not put them under the same section. You need to create a separate section for each class, if that is the case. So in the billing process, what do? We first of all open a new term, ensure that all billable items are in the list of bill items. Then we prepare the bill itself. Then after we prepare the bill, then we apply the bill to students in the class. Then we can print out our bills. This is the part 1 of this billing process. We'll come back to the part 2 and demonstrate what we are actually talking about. The entire billing process, from the creation of the new term to the printing out of bills. Thank you for your time and have a great day.